Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a PR package here from Born Pretty. They asked if they could send me a like a collection of polishes, and I don't know what they sent. I just told her to, you know, surprise me. So but then she actually threw in like another product here, so I don't even know what this is. So we're gonna take a look here. This is the packaging here. It says Jelly Gel Milky White. So they sent me a Milky White. And then we have the 6-piece collection here, All Shine On Me. That's the packaging there, very cute. And this is the Pink Muse semi-jellies. Well, on the bottles though, it says Milky Jelly. So I'm not really sure if there's a difference. I'll have to check that. But I do actually have another Milky White or a Jelly White, so I just want to see if it's the same or not. We'll take a look at that after, but we're just going to get the polishes out here. So we get this little guide. It just says how to prep your nails, how to apply the gel, how to apply the cat eye, and then it just has some like questions and answers. So yes, look how pretty, they're all pinks. So I'm going to go ahead and get them all out here. So they go from 1 to 6, and I love how it says the name on there, Pink Muse Milky Jelly. So I love how it has the collection on the top now. This is number 1, and look at this color. I immediately thought of a set to do with a character, but I'll go into that a little bit later. This is number 2, this beautiful brighter pink. Oh, I just love it. Number 3 is a glitter, very pretty glitter. And then number 4 is this very pretty lighter jelly. I love them because, yeah, they're jelly, but they are like milky. They're just so pretty. And then this pink here, like a carnation pink. And then the last one, the 06, is a very light pink. Very, very pretty. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and get my swatch sticks ready. And then we'll go ahead and swatch that. And I'm going to check that white jelly and see if it's the same polish or not. So yes, I have the jelly white. This is the one they sent me before that I got in another PR. So I was just taking a look at it. It does have numbers on the side. And then, I mean, they look pretty much the same, so I'm not too sure. Yeah, I was just looking at it again, but I think they might be the same. But the numbers are different because I actually did look at it on the package. And yeah, the numbers are a little bit different, so it might just be like a newer formula, I'm thinking. So now we're going to go ahead and swatch. I already put base coat on my swatch sticks. I love this color. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. And I do 2 coats. I just show 1 coat on camera. And then 02, very, very pretty. Like I said, they're jelly, but they do have like that milky look to them. I absolutely love it. And then the glitter 03. It's got like a pinkish tint to it, and it's got all those beautiful glitters. Number 4. Very pretty pink. And then we have 05. I don't know, to me I call this carnation pink. It just looks like a carnation flower. And then number 6 is the lighter pink. This one's a very pretty pink. I like the consistency though, very nice to work with. They level out very nice. So we're going to take a look. I did go ahead and just swatch the white jelly. And I do like the white jellies. Very, very nice. These are all 2 coats with the top coat. Look how pretty. I love that number 1. Oh, I don't know why, it's just so pretty. And look at that glitter. That would look good with the, yeah, putting the glitter over there. I was like, oh, that'd be pretty to do a coat of that and then put the glitter on top. And the last two here, very, very pretty. So I already had a set in mind. I want to do Lotso the bear from Toy Story. But then my daughter said she's like, I want Lotso nails. So, and we had my son's graduation, you know, on Saturday. And so, yeah, here's her hands. And so, but she didn't want the dark one. Because I have stickers and charms that were like the darker pink, and then I have the brighter pink. Well, she picked like the brighter pink. So, yeah, we're going to use 2 colors from the pink Muse, and then I do end up using another Milky from one of my other collections. But yeah, I showed those little Lotso stickers. But yeah, she wanted to use the bright one that's holding a little strawberry. So we're doing strawberry Lotso nails. I'm going in and prepping her nails. She is a skin biter, so you'll see and here it's hard to tell, but she bites not her nails, but the skin around and even on her fingers. I'm like, do not do that. That is just horrible. She's almost 17, so she'll actually be 17 on the 18th of this month. So, but yeah, I went in with some dehydrator. I did all the cuticle work off camera, and now I'm putting some primer, and I let that dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on these tips here. She even thought these were too long. She's like, I can't do anything with nails. I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm like, these are not even long, girl. But she's just not used. She used to wear them when she was like 12 or 13. I would do, you know, do her nails, and then she just hasn't worn them for a very long time. So yeah, I went ahead and put all the tips on, and now I'm just going to show the pinky here. I'm taking the little mini sanding band, and I just go around the cuticles just to get any like gel that seeped out. And this little bit here is from Amazon, and I love it. I saw it from Be Glamorous Nail or Be Gorgeous Nails, and she had this, and oh, I had to get it, and I love it for going around the cuticles. It's an awesome cuticle bit. So filed and buffed, and then I wiped with alcohol. Now we're just going to put on some Born Pretty base coat. I'm going to base coat all the nails, and I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. And then we are going to go in with the Milky jelly here. And she wanted the, yeah, she liked the Milky white. So I do 2 coats, and then I cure for 60 seconds. And so now I'm just applying these stickers. She liked these stickers, so I had a couple sheets of strawberries and she liked them. So yeah, I already did her other hand. I actually wish I would have recorded her other hand, because the other hand came out, I don't know, to me it came out a lot better. So I'm like, I should have recorded this hand, dang it. But yeah, I'm just applying the stickers, and then there's like little dots that are on that sheet too, and she wanted the little dots on there. So, but yeah, some of the stickers have the dots already connected, but she wanted me to put the other like loose, you know, dots too. So it's going to be applying those. And then I'm going to go in with the super top coat and top coat that, and then we're going to cure for 60 seconds. So I'm taking this Milky Jelly 05. This is from their new X Jelly Gels. They're HEMA free. And she really liked this color for her base color. She wants to do Frenchies on these nails. So she liked this color, and I actually liked it too. I thought it matched her nail beds really nice. So I did do 2 coats. Oh yeah, I'm going to show. Yeah, 2 coats. I'm curing each coat for 60 seconds. I just love Born Pretty's these milky gels and the semi gels are just the consistency is so nice to work with, and then the colors are just so pretty. This collection too is just a perfect pink jelly, you know, milky jelly collection. So we're going in with 02, which is this brighter pink. And then I'm going to be doing some Frenchies. I really got to practice my Frenchies. I got to just like sit down and really take my practice hand and just practice, because she didn't mind them. She liked them, but I don't know. I just gotta perfect it. It's just nothing near, you know, what I really like. So yeah, I just gotta practice. So when I go in for the second coat, I did cure that. I just go and put polish on there, and then I'll clean up the line because we'd already cured, you know, the first coat, and it already had the line all set. So for me, it's just easier to do that. And then I just clean up the line, and then we're putting this little Lotso sticker, and the index finger is going to be the exact same, so I didn't show that. Now we're moving on to the middle finger where we're using the 03, which is that glitter. She wanted to have the glitter, so I'm going to actually do 2 coats, and then I'm curing each coat for 60 seconds. I thought they came out cute. She really likes them. She likes like the jelly, you know, nail jelly look, so... And we're also putting the charm on this. So yeah, I did already do the 2 coats, and I just buff up the surface just so the rhinestone glue, you know, so it will stick good. And so we're just gonna put the little charm here, and it's holding the little strawberry. But like I said, I want to use that number 1 because I have those stickers that it's darker. So this is her taking her little video here. Super cute. Very, very cute. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, for sending these. They're absolutely gorgeous. The consistency is amazing. I'm going to leave this collection linked down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.